Hi, I'm Jason, sales manager here at Roywood Transits. Today I did a sales walk around video for you for the very handsome red Ford Tourneo Allied Independence RS 3+3 behind me. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, Ford Tourneo Custom, converted new by Allied as an Independence, ex-Motability vehicle, so good history. September 21 on a 71 plate, 2 litre Euro 6, so ULEZ compliant, 130 PS, 6-speed manual, covered just under 29,000 miles, so 28,812 on the miles for you. Super looking car. I think this one's Kapur red, it could be dark carmine red, it's one of the two, but Ford colours are quite close on those ones. But yeah, really nice finish. Partial body kit, so the extended wheel arches, 17-inch alloys. Wheelchair in the third row. At the OEM, RS OEM, this one here gives you the 6 seats, so 3 in the front and then 3 in the back, which are removable. They're also conferenceable, so if you have a wheelchair user in the third row, we can turn these seats round, so then everybody's a little bit more inclusive, which is lovely. And then on the centre seat, no Isofix, but we have Isofix on the 2 outside rear seats for you, and also the rake is adjustable on the back of these seats as well, so you can lean back a little bit further. Heater in the back, comes out of the floor. We've got aircon in the roof for you in the back as well. The 2 side loading doors, tailgate, these are very practical, these conversions. Obviously the seats are removable as well as conferenceable, and this one being the later 21 model also has the benefit of the fold flat ramp, so if you know the RS ramps, and this one is the later one. So what I'll do now is I'll just put it in the fold flat position, which is really helpful if you're not using it for wheelchair access and you just want it as a very practical 6-seat big booted car. And there we go. So flat ramp now, so if you don't need the wheelchair access, you've now got a very practical large 6-seat car with a huge great big boot space for you. Two keys, B5's with us too, 6-speed manual. So here you've got the controller for the heated driver's seat, heated outside passenger seat, heated rear windscreen, heated front windscreen, heated mirrors, aircon. Touchscreen tablet, front and rear parking sensors. When you go into reverse, a little van comes up, so you've got some parking sensors on there. Plug your smartphone in, use the apps off your phone through the van, so phone mirroring, which is lovely. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel, dashboard computer control, cruise control and speed limiter for you, auto headlights, front and rear fogs, 28,812 on the miles. If you'd like any more details, or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office please, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for watching, thanks for your interest, take care.